I'm upstairs and videoing the gator. It's not so bad, not so big. So it's very close. Look at, it's been here all morning. It's the 13, and the birdie is over there, very close to him. Oh, kíváncsi vagyok, mit csinálnak. Right there. Look, two birdies like coming. I don't know if they eat birdies or what. Wow, are you sure, babies? He's still here. It loves that under my tree. It's shallow. And oh my God, look at the birds are coming. Look, I might have something. If he eats them, if he's not hungry, he doesn't. Look at, oh, he just got it. He just noticed it. That's funny. He does nothing. He's not hungry. Oh my God, so look at how cool it is. Is the other one coming or is he scared? He saw it, the bird saw it. Menjél közelebb, baby. I don't think he's hungry. There's nothing. This is the coolest picture. Bird is there and he did nothing. So, oh my God, he's not hungry at all. Bird is still there. Gone. Bird is gone. So this is really cool. Bird is alive. He loves the hot water. Cool.